Alright guys, doing the random for break 383. Got the AFC first. Ryan Nelson on top, John Daly on the bottom. We got Baltimore Ravens on top, Tennessee Titans on the bottom. 5 or greater on the dice. 8. Good luck guys. And final roll. Baltimore Ravens on top, Pittsburgh Steelers on the bottom. We'll be back shortly with the NFC. Alright guys, we got Ryan Nelson on top, John Daly on the bottom, back with the NFC. Arizona Cardinals on top, Redskins on the bottom. 5 or greater. 3 reroll. 4 reroll. 6. Good luck. Last round. Saints on the top, Green Bay Packers on the bottom. Good luck, guys.